Deputy Chief Minister in charge Parliamentary Affairs Pres Tin Song today said that the members of the Assembly have to conduct themselves as per the rules and regulations. The statement came after VPP MLA Arden Basarma today refused to seek response to a motion from the Education Minister and even staged a walkout. Tin Song said that an FIR has been filed by the party against the Education Minister for alleged hate speech and the law will take its own course of action. He also denied the allegations of TMC that NPP is poaching into other party MLAs.
My humble request to all the honourable members, we have to be guided by the book, by the rules of conduct of business, that we are always being guided by that. Right from 1972 till now, till today, we are being guided by them, by the rule of procedure and conduct of business. So I think, how you use the language, how you use the wording, I think it's very, very important that it should be accordance to the rules, because in the rules it already specified everything. How you present yourself, how you talk, how you use the wording. If it is unparliamentary, then we have to explain.
VPP MLA from Nongkrem constituency